Hi. In some places, you would have got numbers as strings. In that cases, it doesn't process that string as a number. So in that case, we need to do some special conversion. That special conversion is called casting, which is nothing but changing from one data type to another. We have three casting functions in Python, which are integer, float, and string. Integer function is nothing but converting float and string to integer. Let's convert float and strings to integers through some examples. To convert to integer, the variable should have a floating data type and a string which has numbers. It should not have any special characters. It should be any number. Now I am just converting x and y to integers. That's it. Let's try to print this. I have given a wrong name. F. Now let's print it. See, the floating is converted to integer, which is a whole number. In integer conversion, it does not do any roundings. That is, if you give 6.9, you will get the same 6 as answer. See, here it does not do any rounding. It just take the whole number and convert that number to integer. That's it. Even in float, we have the same functionality. To convert to float, the variable should be a integer and a string. The same scenario here also applies. It should be a numbers, not a special characters. Let's print. Let's print. See, the whole number integer is converted to float and the string 6 is converted to float. Here, when you convert it into float, it converts with decimal places. Though you have or not, it will add some 0. Next, we'll move on to strings. To convert to string, the variable should have a value integer and float. Now is the output. See, you may wonder why we get the numbers again. Even though you converted, why are we getting the numbers? Let's see the data type of this variables. Before converting, let's see the data type. To check the type of the data, type function is used. This is before converting. After converting, you should assign the conversion to some variables. So I am just assigning it to y and z. Now I am printing the converted strings data type of Y, type of Z. Now we'll see. See, the class of the X variable is, which is a integer, and the F variable is a float data type. After conversion, I am converting it here. After the conversion, their class is string. So it has been converted implicitly. You don't see it outside, but when you check the type of the data, it has become changed. This is how we do conversion from one data type to another using the feature called casting. That's it. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.